E1, which is a supermarket in Colombia. It's a very popular brand. And we just went in and we are in Salento.
$7 from Melbourne.
Really?
Yeah.
18,000. We wanted to buy one. 18,000 from Melbourne, but they're all corkscrew and we don't have a corkscrew. Oh, we still haven't tried this, eh? The sugarcane anise thing. You got some bananas, 600, 3,600, 3,500 pesos is 1 US, or 2,500 pesos is $1 Canadian. So do the conversion. So for example, these are about a dollar something, almost $2 US. Here we always buy our chips. It's about $1 US for lemon. Interesting. Got some plantain. Plantain for 4,300. Here we're gonna buy the water. It's 1,000 pesos, so about 30 cents US for 1 liter. Or we can buy, here we have Coke for 6, which is $2 US for 1.5 liter. Here we got some cookies. Oh, they look like ding ding dongs. Like Hostess for $2 US. That looks pretty good. A lot of snacks here. Banana cakes, $3 US. Here's some bread. 3,000, so $1 US for a loaf of bread. Not bad. We got eggs. Everything's so compact. So we got hamburger buns, we got eggs, leche. Here's a dozen eggs for 7,000. $2 US for a dozen brown eggs. If you get the big one, which has 30 of them, it's 14,000. Here we got some Milo. That's pretty good. $2 for a pack here. Got some Colombian coffee, which is about $4 US for $2.20. Here's another one for 17. And what's this one? 19. Here we got some leche in a bag, or this is the powder. Or you can buy these ones, which are 5. 3 for this leche. $1 US for a liter. We got some oil here for 19. This one's only 6, so about $2 for a small one. Olive oil, canola oil here. We got olive oil here, 32, $10. And here we got the arepe, a lot of the corn flour, very cheap. It's their staple, so about $2, $1. We got some rice here for chorizo, $13.50, which is like 30 cents a bag. We got some tuna or pate type thing, a couple bucks. Here's some pasta. The small one is $1, 75 cents. Some mushrooms bottled for $1.50. Tomato sauce, a couple bucks. Depends what you got. Here's some shell ones. Very small bag for $1 something. This is a larger one for 1,000. Here we have some frozen meat. About $1.50 US for 500 grams for chicken. Frozen meat. What else? We got some yogurt here. Yogurt drink, $3 US. We have some small yogurts. These are like 50 cents US. Here's some cheese for $3. Cheese is cheap, but there are varying types of cheeses. Sour cream. Wow, $3. A lot of stuff. Everything you need. Oh, here's some ham. Serrano ham. Wow, it's like prosciutto for $3. Here we got some paper towel for 50 cents, small pack, or toilet paper. How much is toilet paper? It's 20 for a big pack, so about $5-6. Okay, well, I'll exclude the cleaning products. Oh, they even have mouthwash. $2 US. Listerine, of course, costs a lot more for brand name. Dental floss, pretty reasonable, $1 Canadian. Lots of stuff. They even have deodorant. That's not bad, $2. Actually, very reasonable. We got some shampoo, which is like $4 for huge things. So even real brands, Pantene, $4.15. So that's about $5 for a better brand. We got sanitary napkins. Wow. Am I dreaming? That's only like $1 with wings. But then what do I know? Some pancake mix for $1. Nutella knockoff for $3. Ritz crackers for 40 cents. And some other things. Okay, that concludes this quick tour of this supermarket here in Colombia. Things are very reasonable. Just remember to like and subscribe to see more of these world shopping grocery trips around the world. Ciao.